Let me ask you something. How long have you been waiting for your life to change? You make vision boards, repeat affirmations, and act as if. You believe the universe is listening, that if you think hard enough, things will fall into place. But here's the truth that stings. Your reality hasn't changed, and deep down, you know it. The problem is simple. You're caught in wishful thinking. Vision boards and affirmations feel good. They trick your brain into a temporary high, like you're making progress. But progress isn't imagining. Progress isn't pretending. Progress is measured in sweat, skill, and steps taken. You see, manifestation culture sold us a beautiful lie. That thoughts become things. That if you align your energy, the universe will reward you. But the universe doesn't care about your affirmations. It doesn't care about your journal entries. It cares about one thing: what you do. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The universe doesn't respond to your thoughts. It responds to your actions. You can believe you deserve success all you want, but if you're not doing the work to earn it, nothing changes. Believing without building is like buying a lottery ticket and calling yourself an investor. Manifestation without manufacturing is delusion, and that's where most people get stuck. They confuse positive thinking with productive action. They mistake daydreaming for designing. But what if, instead of treating your goals like wishes, you treated them like construction projects? Think of your life as a building site. Right now, you may be standing in an empty lot, hoping a mansion magically appears. But real builders don't hope. They plan, they prepare, they execute. So here's the framework. Step 1, the reality blueprint. This is more than vague vision boards. It's a detailed, specific plan. Not, I want to be rich, but I want to build a business that earns $10,000 a month by selling this product to this audience. Your blueprint must be crystal clear, just like an architect's drawing. Step 2, the bill of materials. Every project needs resources. To build a house, you need bricks, wood, and wiring. To build a future, you need skills, connections, knowledge, and tools. What are you missing? What do you need to learn? Who do you need to meet? Write it down. That's your bill of materials. Step 3, the construction schedule. Dreams die without deadlines. Builders don't say, I'll start whenever I feel aligned. They follow a schedule, day by day, week by week. Your life is no different. You need a daily and weekly plan of concrete, physical tasks. That's what takes the blueprint off the page and turns it into reality. This is not about acting as if. This is about acting to build. When you adopt this framework, something powerful happens. You stop being a dreamer and start being a builder. You trade your lottery ticket mentality for an architect's blueprint. Instead of waiting for the universe to reward you, you reward yourself through systematic effort. Instead of hoping for a better future, you construct it. One brick, one habit, one deliberate action at a time. So ask yourself, are you still waiting for the universe to change your life? Or are you ready to roll up your sleeves, pick up your tools, and start building the future you've been wishing for? Because the truth is, your life is under construction. The only question is, are you the architect or just another daydreamer?